Coco, when's the last time you had sex?
I don't know. When was the last time you sucked me?
Okay, -2. What's going on, Solko? Come on.
It's in the name, so, you know, she's got an excuse
She's a
right
little
there.
slow. Would you rather have a big one in your mouth or a small. awkward one?
You said it.
That one was weird. That one was weird. I felt it was close to me. My hair blew back a little, dude. What the fuck?
Just get my hot breath.
It was warm. It was warm.
Holy shit! Oh, my tummy hurts, bro. Fuck. That was a good one. How did you do that? Canada Dry. I'm telling you.